Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm cooking momos, veg momos. So this is the very first time I'm cooking these momos, and these are pure vegetarian. But there will be but I'll be making like two versions of momos. One will be vegetarian, like cabbage, carrot and ginger, that's it. And on the second version I will be putting mushroom in it. So this is the vegetarian version, like the cabbage version of that momos. So I made this mix already, and these are the shiitake mushroom. So I just blended them. Okay, so guys, let's get started. By the way, I love momos so much. When you go to the Indian streets, I'm like, you cannot go wrong with those momos. You have to have them. When you go out of the street with your girlfriend, you have to have those momos. So this is the one momos I made. So this is the one I made. This is like, I made it as a sample. So let's get started. So I have already kneaded the dough. So it's a all-purpose flour. I just kneaded like with the water and a little bit of salt. Then just take a 1 teaspoon of oil, any kind of cooking oil or the olive oil. Just take 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and just knead it again and let it rest for almost 5-10 minutes or so. So we will just make small balls out of this. So for now, like I thought I'll be making these momos for dinner, but it's just 4:15 right now. So I just don't want to use this whole dough for the momos. Just make it for me, and once he come, I'll start making it for like 15-20 minutes before, so that he can have these fresh cooked momos in the dinner. I don't know if this is the like ideal size of ball, or I should just make it. So this one is a little small. I don't know if this is the ideal size. So I'll make maybe 8 or 10. By the way, that side, it's my window there, that's why I'm looking at that. So if somebody is passing, I just peek in like that. So these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 4 6 7 8. I think I should make it a little small. 8. Ouch. And 9. I think this is a whole lot of flour. I should have like needed maybe half of it. So these are 10 balls altogether. So I will cover this dough with a cheesecloth, with a wet cheesecloth, so that it doesn't get dry. So this is the plain flour. If you can see, this is the plain flour. In case when you are rolling this dough and it stick to this roller, then you can use this dough. So Chinese people, like as far as I know, this recipe, this momos dish came from the Nepal, but I exactly don't know how they make it. But we Indian are like that. We always take the things from other countries and other places and just change the taste accordingly. So I will just roll this. So don't worry about the shape, eventually it will just make it around. I think this is a little big. I'm already done rolling my maida balls. So these are the round shape. So as I told you, I'm going to make two versions of momos and one will be the cabbage one. So these are the plain momos. I just shredded them in the blender. Now we will make the we will just fill these with our. So now I'm just gonna fill these and give it a momos kind of shape. So it's already so tasty. Yeah, the yellowish kind of color you see here, I just added a half teaspoon of soy sauce to give it a nice Chinese kind of dish taste. So I will fill this mix. So there are different kind of shapes you can make it, but this is the easiest shape I found it. So I'm gonna make like this. So I will just take it like that, make it a V kind of shape, and then I will take another V. And just stick it to this V. Then I will make one more V and stick it to the previous one, and then I will just make one more V and stick it to the first one, and then I will make one more V and stick it to the previous one. I think I have filled a little extra. I'm taking it out. So mind you guys, this is the first time I'm making, so I'll make one more V and stick it to the previous one. I'll make one more V, stick it to the previous one again. So I will make one more V, stick it to the previous one. So this, at last there is this hole, so you make one more V and stick it to the previous one, and then you just roll it like that and just press this. So this is not the very perfect shape, but yes, I think this is good for the very first time. So next one. So till the time I'm making this, so I will just turn on my gas so that I can just steam them. Guys, I'm happy and my momos are ready. See? It's still steaming, coming off. Let's try them. I'm excited. So, usually Indian eat these dumplings like momos with the tikhi dip, the spicy dip, and they make it. But I just got this from the market. This is made of garlic and red chilies. So this is the kind of same sauce. So I just don't want it to take a pain of making this spicy dip. So I'm using this hot chutney. Let's begin. So let me try this one first. Oh my god, I don't believe I made them. I can't believe I made them. If you don't want to eat this dip, that is fine. Even without this dip, they're so tasty and so yummy. So I'm having this cold drink. So happy. It's so spicy, so happy. Ah, looks like I got the heaven. So this is the Cheetos are giving me accompanied with these momos. I'm so glad I made them. This is the mushroom one. Can you see the filling? Looks like I don't need anything except these momos. They are so spicy, but they are so yummy. Like, I can't believe myself I made them. Even they are properly cooked. Like, I was not sure if they are properly cooked or not, because I really don't like eating this uncooked flour thing. So I just wanted to make sure they are fully cooked, and they really are. I am in the heaven right now. You know what? After eating these momos, I feel like I just want a cart, and you know, the Indian tailor. I just want a cart, and I can make all these momos and sell them. And they're gonna be a big hit. I'm telling you, they're gonna be a big hit. It's not, you know, my problem is I hardly like things like, I don't like things cooked by me. Like, most of the time it happens. I like the things cooked by others. Maybe it is cooked by the chefs, or maybe it is cooked by my mom or by my husband. But I mean, this will be one of the thing I'm liking this, and which is cooked by me. I can't think of anything right now. I mean, they are so bomb. They are actually so bomb. It's so spicy, so yummy. Fresh momos. You can't imagine. Like, I'm feeling proud of myself, you know? I made these momos. Mm. I have no idea the feeling I'm having right now. Mm. 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 Hot momos, chill Pepsi, make it a good bomb combination. Bomb combination. Mm. So basically, you can add any veggie you want in these momos. You can put anything. You can make your own version of dumplings. Anything. But I just wanted to make it something simple. So I just the one filling was only mushrooms, and one filling was cabbage, carrot, and ginger. That's it. So guys, like, I was feeling so tired. I was feeling literally tired that I just wanted to go to bed and not making this video at all. But after having these momos, I'm like, I'm feeling fresh, refreshed. You know, last night I posted a video on my other channel by 2 o'clock in the night that I'm not feeling good, and trust me, I couldn't sleep. By 6 o'clock in the morning, I was pushing myself to go to the bed. So I was pushing so hard myself that I need to sleep, but I could see the sunshine coming through my window, but I couldn't sleep. And then I had to wake up at 9 o'clock because 11 o'clock my appointment to get my laser session. So if you don't know, guys, I'm taking the laser session here. So since my teenage, I'm having this issue, like the hormonal imbalance issue, that I'm getting thick hair on some parts of my body, like, sorry, upper lips, chin, underarms. On underarms, I don't have thick hair. Yeah, and especially my legs. I mean, the bushes. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. I'm talking about that right now, but yes, I'm taking that laser treatment. So I'm treating these two areas, upper lips and chin, and underarms and legs. So I had this appointment at 11 o'clock, and then when I reach there, I prefer like when I reach there, so I there are two doctors there. So one is just the kind of, she is mostly the kind of receptionist, and the second one who owns the business. So I'm taking that those sessions, laser sessions, from that owner of that clinic. So I always prefer to get my session done through that lady only, who is the owner. So she was not here today, but the other lady was there, and I reached there, I couldn't find the owner, so I refused that I'm not going to take any session because I prefer her, because she knows about my history. Although they have this patient file where everything is mentioned, but last time it happens, even last time she was not available, the other lady, the receptionist kind of lady, she gave me the treatment, and I was not happy with that because I am usually getting the whole legs. I'm getting this treatment done of whole legs, but she just left the part of the bikini area. So I thought maybe she has her own way to do that thing. Maybe she gonna do it later. So when everything was done and she asked me to get up, and I told her that I'm getting the whole legs, the till high, till the bikini line starts. So that's why I just preferred that lady who owns the business. She knows about me, she knows about my history. I just refused her that I will only take the treatment from the lady who gave me the initial treatment. And then after that, I went to the Walmart and I wanted to return something, so then after I was done with the Walmart, I went to the Dollarama. I needed to pick up some stuff like stationery, books, and things like that, the small things. And then I came home and started making this video. So since I'm trying to push myself into this YouTube thing, the first thing which is keeping me away from this channel is the recipes. Like, it really gives me hard time to think about what shall I cook or what shall I eat in front of camera. So this, like, what to cook thing is really giving me the hard time. And the second thing, I'm still struggling through the camera settings, and it's really sometimes it's hard to adjust the camera, the best position to find out. So even last videos I made, the quality is okay, the position is okay, but I just don't want to keep continue on that track. I just wanted to improve it. I don't know if this thing is improved or not, but I actually want to improve it. I know nobody can be a professional in one night, but yes, I'm trying to improve the video quality and everything. So if you give me two options, I like mushrooms a lot, a lot. I love mushroom. But if you give me two options to choose, if you give me two options to choose one, the cabbage momos or the mushroom momos, I'm gonna choose the cabbage momos for sure. The mushroom momos, maybe this is the first time I'm having mushroom momos, but I like the cabbage ones more. Oh my god, like, today is the day I'm gonna mark it. Like, these are the bomb. I'm telling you, like, I know you might be getting irritated, but so guys, so good guy. So just because I'm talking, they are kind of getting dry. Mmm. Like, before my marriage, when I was in school or college, I never liked cooking at all. Like, my mom, my grandmom, they always tease me like how I'm gonna manage everything after marriage. But at this point of time, if you ask me to have Indian roti and sabji, the traditional food, Indian food at home every day, I can cook it. I mean, my whole life, I can cook it. I can eat the Indian roti sabji every day. It's just not about the Indian roti sabji. Like, if I eat straight 7 days at home cooked by me, I can't have it. I feel a crave, like, I crave for something new. I crave to go out and go eat in a, like, in a nice restaurant, or maybe not in a nice restaurant, but I like to eat something outside, whether it's a roll, or McDonald's or anything in like yesterday. I don't want it to cook. So we just headed to the 7-Eleven, and on 7-Eleven there is a deal going on. There was a $4 meal. So you get 4 wings, 3 potato veggies, and 1 small gulp. That is a $4 meal. So I wanted to try that meal. Every time I would pass from that street and I'll see that $4 fuel up meal, I'll be like, oh, I really wanted to have that. Oh, I really wanted to have. So yesterday, finally, I had that meal. So that was the dinner last night. So even my today's dinner is almost done. So it's 5 o'clock right now. I don't I don't feel like I'm going to have dinner with him anymore. I might have dinner maybe late night, but I'm so full and the momos was so great. If you really want to know the recipe, just comment down below. I will just put all the ingredients in that description bar. So that is not my original recipe. This is the first time I made. I watched it on YouTube only. There is a YouTuber called Nisha Madhulika. So if you wanna just check out quickly. So guys, if you really enjoyed my video, just hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you soon with more videos.